want to state that Moses Kuria is my friend. We spent 4 to 5 days together in Pangani in the cell.
You should also disclose that I came there to see you.
You came? Mr. Speaker, it's true. I was coming to that. So you also visited us there, and you gave us some legal advice. And he did a lot of things there, but that's a subject for discussion another day. But now now that will not stop me from vetting him now, Mr. Chairman. So the question I wanted to put to him is, if you are approved and made the Minister for Transport, for Trade, how will you deal with this question of counterfeit goods? Because it is becoming a delicate issue in this country on how to protect the local manufacturing industry and the counterfeit goods that are coming from outside. So how will you strike a balance between the two so that you save the people who are manufacturing locally and you also don't stop people who are coming from importing goods are being told that you are bringing counterfeit goods? What is your vision on that? And lastly, the issue of trade imbalance. Like if you see this, there's a question here that it's now 120 billion shillings, the trade imbalance. How do you intend to address that? What are your thoughts on that? Thank you very much.